Thinking about toilet training your cat? Or maybe you're scooping the litter box so often it feels like a full-time job? Well, hold that thought, because today, we're talking about the biggest litter box mistakes cat owners make. From the truth about toilet training to whether high-tech litter boxes are actually worth it, this is everything you need to know to keep your cat happy, stress-free, and, well, not peeing on your carpet. Let's get into it. Welcome to my channel. If you've ever thought about toilet training your cat or wondered how often you should clean the litter box, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the biggest mistakes cat owners make when it comes to litter boxes, from forcing them to use the toilet to over-sanitizing their space. And of course, if you love learning about cats, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out. Let's start with the big question: should you toilet train your cat? The short answer: no. I know. It sounds convenient, it looks impressive, and yes, some cats can learn. But here's the problem: cats aren't humans. They don't think, oh, how nice, indoor plumbing. Instead, they think, where's my litter? Where's my scent? This is weird. See, for a cat, poop and pee aren't just waste, they're territorial markers. It's like a little message to themselves that says, this is my space. I belong here. When they use a litter box, they know their scent is where it should be. But when you flush it all away, that's like erasing their identity. And when a cat feels like they don't have a place they can claim, they start making one on your carpet, your couch, or that expensive rug you swore they'd never ruin. Now, let's talk about litter box mistakes. One of the biggest: overcleaning. I get it. No one wants a stinky house. But if you're scrubbing out the litter box with disinfectant every day or replacing all the litter constantly, your cat might feel like their scent is disappearing too quickly. And that makes them uneasy. You might not smell anything, but they do. So instead of deep cleaning every few days, just scoop daily and do a full clean once every month, unless, of course, the box actually needs it. And that brings us to automated litter boxes. Now, I know what you're thinking: wait, aren't those bad? Nope. In fact, high-quality automated litter boxes can be amazing if your cat is comfortable with them. The key is choosing the right one. Some cheaper models with mechanical arms or weak sensors can spook your cat, but the best high-end litter boxes are designed with safety and comfort in mind. They clean efficiently, control odors, and keep everything fresh without scaring your cat away. The trick is to introduce it gradually. Place it next to the old litter box and let your cat explore it first. Some cats adjust quickly, while others need time. And always make sure there's an alternative litter box available in case your cat isn't ready to commit to full automation just yet. So, what's the perfect litter box routine? Ditch the toilet training idea: cats need their litter box. Scoop daily, but don't over-sanitize, keep some familiar scent. If using an automated litter box, invest in a good one. The high-quality ones work well and keep your cat's space clean and stress-free. At the end of the day, cats aren't just pets. They're creatures of instinct. The more we understand what makes them comfortable, the happier they'll be and the fewer messes we'll have to clean up. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more cat wisdom. And remember, respect the raw cat, embrace their nature, and always meet them halfway. See you next time.